1,000 years for the thief, 1 day for the master. Ebusinya, the capacity mind. Mugabe Maase or Pacho. I'm silly. Mugabe Maase, TV XYZ journalist or Pacho den or Pacho den. Memu, anybody fame Napo. Emma Napo, try the damage. See you know. Ebusinya, now no. Mugabe Maase, Uber in DSC, or by media answer is all the Achelpa. Emma Napo. Bema nchirimu no akire wadwen e de amame e wo comment section ayi penya block media best for say any demo obe like video no da ma subscribe button samba click notification icon notifications update samba kire wadwen de amame e wo comment section oba so a no che for enya bi ahwe me kan phone nala money send up e de amame o USA o UK o pay sense ka e de kofi nala for say o ya me fan na o hwe me ntirizim promo code no penya TV e sense ka e kofi na o be chew $20 for free e nala nko ato no sesui o se o mo ho a wato sika to atwene o send so a very fast transaction o send is kana kwan na eduru fie ni pa kwa mobile money account mu this kana kuduru e koduru ya o her account ya sa $20 for free. Let's go to the story. Abusia onim say 2026 ye say 2025 ever and the NDC government etna so na doom so out of nowhere doom so esa back e ma za manfo ne ma asay through doom so ne de ese wani edi say ka kire e ma bebe na no ene ma asase that 2026 so no and do so esa starting gidi gidi from ye better see march in hoba na doom so ne de agusia enye easy back to back doom so no back to back e gine ma akosi me so it was on 8th May and Mugabe Maase awo ya adwon TV XYZ e better the TV so the show I to the Gumbi show or better so na hono and I making some serious allegations and accusations be okotre mu say doom so na e koso no a former energy minister Napo ana ashada boni pani bi pa etueska edima wo mu ese omu enche na nundum light na e wa Ashanti region and Napo so that the Ashantis will blame the NDC government ese omu ba ye no ana doom so apa e hono and what did the alleged leak bi eba ese eno eye Napo a obo obi pa se nipa ko enkwese adwumadie no or the account as exhibit
me pesa me bo video no na wo awutie mu nsem na wutie wi a afi ne maba be kasa nti producer team obi akọ Facebook live 197 na TV SYZ Ghana munyai audio no to ma me ntie nsem a ekoso
enra tama mishia me frɛ wo no from an 3 days rensa na po yeni na papa yeni na mu nyina ko hia mu wo abu akwa agogo guy bi na wa bi hospital bi no mfrɛ mo say Dr. Tam da so no na hospital ho na MPP ni da panifo no na po ni panifo ne bant man da git panin mu nyina ene barekase ne asofia MP no o mu nyina be hia Mobeshia no oma obia 1.5 billion and a tepa district engineer or buy asante mampon district engineer or buy or fenso district engineer or baby asokwa district engineer or baby ajuso district engineer or baby afichasi district engineer or baby baby no district engineer or baby asante bekwa district engineer or baby engineers ni na buy manso district engineer or baby obuasi district engineer or baby Omuna by Ubia by 1.5 billion no mdekoye nti Napo ai barekase MP no barekase Sofia MP no oka kire offensive engineer say and Sunday say wonum Sofia light me no ka say na fam waskwa me bi onwachi be mbe Napo be fa bia me head dim say me MPP no me fa information no nti barekase MP no ka kire offensive engineer say na wonum Sofia nti Sofia won extra time wonya na nyumre a wonya no pa wonya na nyumre sa nti me gidi se ba o me Sunday obedum no se ba o te me nka sa na eko isi ame no ka sei o sambe hia delegate mpanifo no ni ebi ewo asokwa omo asokwa ai sa Pentecost asode na isi asokwa okọ ai sa dunyina kwan so a Pentecost asode an kese na omo central asode an kese no ho na omo nyina be hia babo chinku etwen se mpanifo no ba me gidi se underground work na wo ye no be obe ko bia me moto di akiri se me no ka se me waskwa nti papa wote me nka saa na eko ba menu asuofe ya ba menu na MP ni kan se Sunday wonum no ma enemo na sum se ne se sufia e offer ɔteme nka saa na ɛkɔ nti papa June July June this month from 5th 10th 15th to 20th no na dum so no be koso kese pa anti asaf market ɛyɛ askwa ɛna ruru asaf market nti no nisika no man 3.2 billion so na asaf market no so ɛwɔ asante region nima ho nti ho na no hye mesanti man say so nyina ho nya asaf market off no na MPP NDC collapse na MPP enye baby nya fa campaign because this year na no research time also mo hye to na 2027 no be the campaign papa oteme nka na de ekoso no papa me da ase nyame sure.
Very well. Ghana for Masuma. Masuma. Hey, nyame na kasa aye. Ti akaya de ni na mwie mo no. Kwesi boni beka say akaya allegedly. It is alleged say woman na ye niema no Kumase Ashanti region. Abobobobo areas din. Na se de ani se wogina ho no wo hwie ni wanya dan. Wan hwe ase. Cause abai we unim de oye. Na de akoso nyina no ho. Obi akọ Facebook live power 97 and more Germany, France, Belgium, Italy, more Scandinavian countries no. They said no way Denmark, Finland, a year amama hodwa ebembe mo no mututu mika Facebook live power 979 Denmark power 979 or Britain power 979 Facebook live obi anko na numbers mo increase numbers na mame me bebo another a year video we nya allegedly and I say it is alleged biawo me bebo another video ya yenya a year MPP nia MP for Mugabe Maase ya one the Otis studio e kan one na SEO edema free zones e authority Otis studio okasa
e madam kon kwan enye Mugabe Maase kwan kan ye ho siado ya make such an allegation I say oni mempiufo bi a omo hihye e kire wo amanfo ase pimpimati ko say omo hye nundum light no so that the people this government Hobson also can be any Mugabe kwan Hobson as making such an allegation against Napo. A man say when ebe the gentleman for crack say and 7 echoes to Ghana had me. Ye no one is send amen ye koda and say ya sorry ya out of nowhere. Mugabe Maase akofo obi ni nakodim komo a recorded de ba say eye Napo e kasa Napo na ebo bi pa. E ma you kwada do ba ye no. Some of the NDC communicators kran obubo fu Mugabe say Mugabe be I can call it a hot true. Enye say near politics. What I say? Enye say and intra MP for no so any abresen here. Senapo enya no kra siu Mugabe because Samson e ya doso. Oh ha no bia can sim bia na abe just social media discussion na akoda na say the go MP for any mo say ye the tag me say mo ya kromfo mo ya awidifo mo ya mamofo but muntimi take action bia muntimi take any legal action ta kwese let and some for can ever mon e no kra it not something must be done to set an example in Napo ade chinye on the 10th of May ana Napo ekoye interview ana Napo ka say na mo pa mo say the me ma papa for pass ye nundum light e was antim nundum light e go so be na menya na so
Jili say so be at radio so na say TikTok so say social media so say although or can be or say on what to meet me DH but moto so DH na me multiple purpose me MPP MP4 HH by 1 September HH by 1.5 billion they are my ECG district directors say omundundum kane Bibi kai asemenya no kre obi onimi friend himself Bible should be Ghana many MPP MP phobia ni meeting on bia the Minister of Energy by ECG district directors minimum and now person now many of them are material baby that we share district directors and then the prayer to Bosenka this member the lawyer me baby assembly film akoko to mako chebe kra omo se me multiple commitment any MP4 ko any department do I need to share there are some no they have me say and yes be make work cassette am or the ECG district directors for every person that in here you say and check na must NDC pay football can say me profile ECG for that I go once in Ashanti region omi ye me nipa me the one me go so me sabotage ban able circle the year minister and year minister and the ECG district directors echo and now aban free by omo person you mo di na wa area we you mo it me some ECG regional director ko wa sha to you cry me they don't regret so they can na dundum so and I said me na me ko tue sika wo kuma se ne Ashanti region can you also you do more Ghana whatever Kenya so one way and then regret my friend to create emrama do se mu kakra ugu bi mu fi na wo boss mu ka se mu hom no me na be ba wa also e je the credit se me ba ko she odi amaska amodi meet me nyasa me nya pro and na ma ko she odi akoya pro na me sa akoya pro kra be dia me fi and it was for that suma ni e dia na me nya free me nya free so by the minor service on face say emra makana for one year so won't mean can be now show crowd at the bread of about me so pay for more it is a about be yin for I think can yes say more power plan of we na ya faso e bia me say e bia dem ne bia e ko for lunch so the can na duma e be ha no boss empire it means to be more person can you shema na can you indundum na Ghana for two about president na can you so many pay aduma so Ghana for the eka so mun pay omo to abetia it is sad na so one na say what be nyek na do emra Ghana for na abeti uma na omo be fun no omo anu be ka che mama fa and say many MPP fu be share be bia enkomo a ECG yes ka any credit so the best aka se me lawyer for for asem nko na panyin na o be best share be so a o di boss a fi ba be che fa kokra fu share ya ni MP for share ko di sa na number 7 any credit ti bo be mu fi bia to tune any credit crisis
Napo I can say we na ne ka se mo no ena ne o ka se ne mesiu mo na mo ka da se Mugabe Maase mo mesiu mo no ma ba be kire mo Napo ekọ court ekọ file case against Mugabe Maase TVSYZ broadcasting journalist oko siu no all demanded an amount of 20 million Ghana cedis discano 200 billion for damages oko siu no and no demanded 20 million any retraction of words and not public apology Emma dey chen 11th May no Mugabe Maase eba ni show ni sibiem no wey any sema obekan
once I'm for her say send the messages say Mugabe is it true Napo SEO yes me de menya nkrata ni bi nkenkan de but the name say Napo SEO Mugabe any SYZ and I'm more than ready. I will meet him in court. I say I'm more than ready and I will meet him in court. I don't want to say anything about it, but I say I'm more than ready and I will meet him in court. And I thank God for this. I thank God. My angels have spoken. I thank God for this suit. I saw before Nakasa, and the timing is good. I saw before Naya the Omakasa, and the timing is good. Yes, I saw before Nakasa, the 900 million angels they have spoken. We will meet in court. We will meet in court. That's all. Me supporters no any NDC for no mo kama kuma to mo yem. I say we will meet in court. I will meet Napo in court. Very well, let's move on. Just by the way, let's get to serious business. Baby, I told you will be.
Regards on there. So be siu na he yen set yen fa ayi bia mre no court bia an invite court bia serve with a writ in ono there or ho na the angels no e de ba ye e no kan ye na angels no de ba obeka obi antimi scare no o just all sabe tran the team no so be dwa na num
Makama baby abefo awure baby Ghana nyina the only program ya Ghana for nyina ta ho ya no manti a omutumi enna eyesa political talk show na Bema Batankoliga bigger the capacity man, the man with the 900 million angels udi mafunyame no ono boss ro ni asase ni mu ene ma nyina no ono kuto ene betime de mabafoma nipa da sene wasase wezi no don't even try answer what try you will never succeed me my invisible touch me ye so me mu enye ye unbreakable, unstoppable, untouchable. That is the man called Mugabe Maase. Atankoliga biga me ye muso me my tisim kuruma asene no what you say medin what you say medin eni wiase so wo wiase a wase wo mani pesuro yesi suro nipa ntu na ma no atoto anamo yie menim say wunya me a wunya me ntu me so me na ma na ye very careful so what you say Mugabe Maase asem bia meka ha e wo fie ha na meka a kire o say it is alleged and I say we dey allegedly that is say mini sa ade a me dey support to the American but bibi bia me mebie ma no me de manu wei bebie ma no mebodi say esimesi wo na wo sa ade we ase no you can't challenge me never and ever and menye obi a me yehufo yes menye obi a me yehufo me papa wo me no obi a no odin 98 years no de call ye fa ye hunuhuna ehununa yen and me so de me no serious no say hey wunya me a wunya me de ya ne me no ya be kosa na yahu de oye bema that is me ana me kunni nkuguo that is me me kunni nkuguo that is me etima obi aka na koma anya dan eto ne yem na de abobo ba no yesi de ye ne se wo gina ho no anya dan wo hwe yiye no ahwe ase de abobo ba no ehu me se ehu na eneri mo betense me say na mo ba dai mo betense power to the people sana se mo sa so for osu bi mpa be kasai powerful man of God I respect him so much respect ya me woma nyame nipa nyame akwa Apostle Duncan Williams mo me papa Jesus ahofe me papa botuo in him is life asofo kuku dan ya nyame anwosra wo mo so Prophet Samuel Odonkomo yes powerful man of God wonen hokafo sofo mame yakopon asomdwe nkamo yese woni nyame na ma wonye dan wunsuro se woni yakopon na ma wonye dan wunsuro what you say se woni yakopon enama se wodo wawurade wakoma mu ene wade nyina se wodo wo yonko na se wodo wo nua se wo ho a asase ani dane butu bipo tutu kogu pumu pa me ne yese nyedan ensuro sanse odi mafo nyame de 900 million angels they don't disappoint
ema no obi ahwe de asem no ebuzian ebekọ akosie out of no ebuzian anrachi no anra ana Mugabe Maase eba no show ni anopa no ba na se be ma ayemle ayi rade jabe ono ahwe damage ni da na nim sika da na nim 20 million cedis 200 billion ohun bi da no he said there or call the first court no and some kanye bi ni niema bi si ko kwa obehia se uni abe patch no be twiasa na Napo e de be che no enti Mugabe Maase en run up ba the show this no we any a chapa mu no ensem a okai
we played an audio on this platform about a year ECG in Ashanti region, which in that a year audio, no, Napo appeared in the a year audio so on Nkofobi and MPP for Nkofobi Akwakoye meeting. Mugabe Maase amiti enya de sema betna ha aka se Napo akwakodi bone ana se ECG engineer bia yeden akwakodi eye bone. Napo is a brother. Me call London. Mimi akuma ene Asante Babes. Kambawa. Mini omotina for close to about 7 years. Napo call London. Kambawa Babes. One unity. Mimi Asante. Asante the same Asante. No, no, so na me call London. One me yi miti. Baby ana miti. And just about a minute walk to his a year barbering shop on Nikita. Ene ada Babes nina. Enti sa recording na audio na ye bo hano. se ede how bi ede abre yenua eye Matthew Opoko eye Prempa Mijina SYZ Broadcasting ya Power FM room any TV SYZ tum as a general manager and host of this program. Said the bia metana me catch say me bubibi na say ade no emfi me side am ka say allegedly, and I use the word allegedly. It is a do how be e de abre and former MP for Mensia South, right? Yenya Matthew Opoko Prempa de kan say de yebo ha bia na twesan de de chopan so ye den e de mano do ha bia abre oni na busua ene ni ayonkofo a yesese eja yesese ni keje ni asida nemum praye wokaboma emu ba wi ba ko na obu a ye den ebuje NDC ni MPP yenya atamfo enyina yeto nsa ye den edidi tesi enu apanyin no se a audio na ebo ha no e do ha obi abre na yesese ye twisa audio no sai eto ko nchen na odo a wo ye ntem da bia yetena se a ye kan ha no ye hwehwe mu aya ye ekire se that said meeting no bibia sa anye den amaso nti onmunyamfo Matthew Opoko Prempe ya 2024 elections now ye running mate to ye papa Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia how be ade abro bia na wadawroma adwobrɛwo obetwe na wo so wo de atofo mbɔkɔ de amaye ne ye de odo na wo ye ntem de bia no ye de abom asomsa saa so na mo a ebubo mu din edin bia ne ho a omubo wom about the engineers, but it was say Ashanti region some of the engineers no say NSU unions no man happy with that a year audio na ye boy no nti yegina ha say unions no moso mone workers ni nyina no how be ade abremu bia no SYZ broadcast ye say monfa nya den monfa enche echopa mo den ye de mamu nyina sanso na eye bia ebeto dwa on that year audio no say meeting na ho ne course no eye time da so ho no ye papa on de ne na ne digwa ewo ha ye besere se nyina monfa nya den enche na ye nto aso ye fa odo no emom yenye adwuma eye sene ye ne da bia no ntie nua eye Napo our senior brother. We render unqualified apology to you and we retract whatever that we said here, and then to the workers we retract and apologize, and to time that so we sincerely apologize for that audio that we played here. Let's move on as one nation. Na yakuyenu
o chese na down free Napo hey da be Napo be ya wada damage yes you try damage in there oh see what be Napo your friend Napo your own friend who say nipa kwa who good nipa ni must say nipa kwa ave there we see you there Napo your best friend o say Mugabe the achopa aba say Napo betia say and I want to say the ball is in his court you try Napo say oba bekasa betam abedwamu amwachi ase until then I PENYAH Block Media Accra.